Time to clean that dryer vent again. Here's what I'm using. Got a blower, leaf blower, got the dryer vent cleaner, power cord. Dryer vent cleaner system. Comes with these tools here. Alright, let's get started. You can connect the rod to your drill and start pushing up into the dryer vent here. And this is how much I got out of there. Ooh, wee. I'm gonna use a vacuum it out. Then I'm using the leaf blower and blow the rest out. You gotta remove that vent hole so you can use the leaf blower. You gotta remove the vent hole first.